Ugly quarter for Tesla. Phil LeBeau joins us right now. He's going to go through the numbers. And, Phil, we knew it would be ugly, but this was even a little uglier than the street had anticipated.
Oh, far uglier than people expected. Look, they were expected to post a loss of 69 cents a share. They ended up losing $2.90 a share in the first quarter. And there was a little bit of everything in this report. The good, for those who are optimistic about the company, a few nuggets here or there. The bad, the numbers themselves. And for the curiosity seekers, a new product from Elon Musk. Let's go over the first quarter from Tesla. As you mentioned, a big miss for Tesla on both the top and the bottom line. The cash burn, $1.5 billion, and then you had the lumpy delivery cadence, which sort of exasperated things for Tesla in the first quarter. Now, if you are a bull, if you are somebody who believes Tesla will ultimately get where they say they are getting, they did reaffirm their guidance for 2019 full deliveries vehicle or total vehicle deliveries of between 360 and 400,000. And for those who like Elon Musk's conference calls, because you never know what might come up next, there's this. Tesla is getting into the insurance business. It will begin offering some type of an auto insurance product. They're probably going to announce it within the next month and a half. Here's Musk on the conference call talking about what they plan to offer.
Yes, we are creating a Tesla insurance product, and we hope to launch that in about a month. Okay. It will be much more compelling than anything else out there.
I'm not sure I've ever heard anybody call insurance compelling, but he believes they have a compelling product because they're going to be leveraging the autopilot technology in order to say, look, this vehicle is safer on the road than one that is driven by a human 99% of the time. Don't forget, today is also the deadline for Elon Musk's attorneys for the SEC, and attorneys for Tesla to give the judge in the contempt of court case an update. Have they worked out an agreement in terms of parameters for Elon Musk communicating over social media, or will they ask for another extension as they did last week? And we'll be watching that as well today. Guys, back to you.
Phil, what's the insurance angle again? I'm not sure I understand what they're offering, what they would be doing.
Well, the idea here will be if, and they didn't flush this out, and when we asked the people at Tesla for more details, they said, well, you'll learn more about it in the future. So we're, to a certain extent here, Becky, we're guessing. But based on Elon Musk's comments, the autopilot technology that he laid out earlier this week, where they say, look, these vehicles are far safer than those that are driven by humans. And based on that, we can offer a lower insurance rate, theoretically, for those who buy our vehicles and use autopilot technology. And then when they have robotaxis coming into service next year, those who own a Tesla and is part of the Tesla autonomous vehicle network. And look, this has long been discussed within the auto industry.
Or they try and get somebody else to underwrite it, because it seems like they have enough things that they need to be funding, which is why he even said yesterday in the call that this might be a good time to raise some capital.
That's unclear. And they did talk about that this might be a good time to raise capital.
That to me was I was more surprised the street didn't really run with that.
Well, because they were vague comments.
Yeah.
I mean, Becky, when you listen to these conference calls, first of all, it's not always clear in terms of the audio what is being said by the people who are on the call. But Elon Musk was asked about raising capital. He says, well, it's not really the right time. There was a follow-up question. He goes, well, maybe this might be the right time to raise capital. Which is it? I mean, you know what I mean? And that's sort of the issue that people face when they're looking at Tesla. And with regards to insurance, and you know this from covering Warren Buffett, I mean, this is not something where you can just say, okay, we're offering insurance. Who's underwriting it? You know, the capital that's involved. There are state regulators
in every state.
Absolutely. Absolutely. A far more complex business and far different than auto manufacturing, as well as energy generation, storage. I mean, the question is one.
The noiseless. What's the? I liked his idea that he threw out yesterday. The noiseless leaf blower. That's a good idea.
Noiseless leaf blower. You like that?
I would like that.
This is the question for Tesla investors. Do they have so many projects and so many ideas and so many different things that they are looking at doing? I mean, solar panels.
I mean, I get
it.
When you disrupt industries, you're going to be changing all kinds of different things. It's just a lot to put on one guy's plate.
Right.